Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for the Miles Franklin channel. Quick story about Russia and continued interest in gold. Here, the Wall Street Journal is reporting about how one of the world's largest untapped gold deposits could give Moscow a bulletproof currency backstop. It is interesting. Certainly, Russia is out looking for gold, but why are they doing this? See down here, gold has become a major holding in Russia's central bank reserves, with its share nearly double what it was in 2014 when the bank started dumping its U.S. Treasury and dollar holdings amid increased tensions between Russia and the U.S. So again, significant just in the sense that obviously in the gold and silver community, you hear a lot about reasons why the dollar will run into trouble, reasons why the treasury market in the U.S. is running into trouble because the supply keeps increasing. And here you see one of the world's powers. Last year, they dumped their treasuries, continue to buy gold, not just talking about the problems with these currencies, like the dollar and the treasuries, but actually doing something about it. Last year, the central bank's deputy head told lawmakers that while gold prices may fluctuate, it's 100% guarantee against legal and political risks. Certainly, I agree, and hard to think of a time in the world where we've had more legal and political and financial risk than what's going on right now with these bubbles in the stock, bond, and real estate markets teetering once again. Here, note, Russia is hardly alone in making that observation. Global central banks have markedly increased their purchases of gold over the last decade. Last year saw the biggest buying by central banks since 2015 as developing worlds work to increase their reserves. We see here Russia's central bank likely bought around 720 tons of gold. And then as we scroll down here, Russia will likely remain a major gold buyer given mine production that helps it buy on the domestic market. Certainly matches what I've been hearing. And again, obviously, while buying gold and silver, not quite as popular yet in the U.S., when you look at some of the trends that are building, the way that foreign counterparties are reacting, seeing what they're doing with their money, we hear report after report about China buying gold, all while the U.S. is going deeper into debt with seemingly less foreign counterparties who are willing to lend money. And what are they buying instead of U.S. treasuries? Gold, which again is one of the reasons why I talk so much about gold and silver on this channel. So if you do have any questions, you can reach me at cmarcus, C-M-A-R-C-U-S, at milesfranklin.com. Hope you found this helpful, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks.